Hey guys, how's it going? After thinking about it last night and the fact that the market didn't drop 1,000 points, it's kind of not, it's kind of a good thing. I mean, it shows that maybe there's strong hands and there's people that don't believe that the stock market will drop. So, I mean, I'm shocked. I really thought that the market was gonna drop at least 1,000 points by this morning, but it's only down 473.9 points. It even went to like as close to as negative 200 points. Then this morning it's down to negative 473.9 points. I'm kind of shocked. I thought the market was going to drop way more than this, and it's holding its ground. So who knows? Maybe the market's not going to crash after all. Maybe this is buying the dip opportunity. But personally, this is just me. Because of the severe uncertainty, I'm probably going to not buy any stocks anymore. I'll probably hold most of my stocks that I currently have. And reevaluate some of my positions. But besides that, I'm not going to, I'm going to be holding a mixture of cash and stocks because there's a chance that the market might not crash and this might be a severe overreaction. Maybe. I'm definitely going to be careful, and I'm definitely not going to buy anymore until after the election is over to see what will happen. And I am definitely cautious right now, but that's about it. And then I have a theory behind this. So Trump and Biden just had the debate, right? This is just my opinion and theory, but Trump and Biden just had the debate, and I think that Trump realizes that he didn't. He made a I think Trump realizes that he kind of made a fool of himself, and this is just my opinion, but I think that he could have faked this whole coronavirus thing, so he doesn't have to fight with Biden anymore, because he's quarantining himself, so he doesn't have to go on to public. But then there might be he's on screen and Biden is, there could be a Zoom debate or something. But I don't know for sure what's going to happen, but I think Trump could be using this as a pity vote. People might be like, oh, well, I'll vote for him because, I feel sorry for him, right? Trump could try to get the pity vote from people by faking this whole coronavirus thing. And then when he comes out of it, he's like, oh, I'm fine. Nothing happened to me. I had a little flu and, now I'm all good again. He could come out and he could say that, and people will be like, oh, look, coronavirus is nothing, and then so people won't be as scared anymore because the president's old and he survived. So he's basically saying that the coronavirus is nothing, and it could be a tactic for him to win the presidential election. Again, that's just my opinion, right? This is all speculation at the end of the day. I don't know for sure. So yeah, Diamond Peak Holdings, I'm not going to sell this off because Donald Trump basically came out and promoted this. I could be kicking myself in the butt with this one because if this thing goes back to $10, I'm definitely going to be buying more at $10, but I don't know. I really don't know right now. Right now, I can't sell until the market opens. The stock is down 8.89%. I really like this company. I want to hold this one long term because, this is like the competitor to Tesla. Seriously. and they're severely undervalued. I mean, not severely undervalued, but I mean, it is a speculation stock at the end of the day, but you know, at $20, they're valued at $3.2 billion, and I just, you know, I can't, you know, could it drop down to $10? Absolutely, anything is possible in the markets, but that would create a huge, huge buying opportunity, and I just don't know if the market will give you that. It could give everyone an opportunity to load up on Diamond Peak Holdings if it hits, you know, closer to like 13. I don't think it'll hit $10. I think worst case scenario, a lot of people will buy it up at around $13, $14, possibly $15, and then it'll bounce back really hard. But will it happen? I don't know. I just don't know. But that would be awesome if that was a scenario for everyone. For me, not so much because I'm big hold. Because I just lost a bunch of profit in the short term. But you know, that also gives me an opportunity to pick up some shares. We'll see what happens. Workhorse is down. I think Workhorse, worst case scenario, it hit $15 from this. Absolute worst case scenario, Workhorse goes down to around $15. Will it happen? I don't know. I think there's a definite possibility, but right now people are scared and they're selling. So yeah, I think Workhorse is going to go down lower. I think it's going to hit at least $20 in the short term. But we'll see what happens. GameStop. I'm surprised GameStop didn't sell off hard. I mean, I know GameStop for a fact will be extremely profitable. They have more cash than their current market cap, and the lower it goes, the more cash they have. And I don't think Ryan Cohen plans to sell his stock. I think if it goes down to around $6, $7, I think he's gonna buy more stock. That's just my opinion, because he probably realizes that this company is undervalued, especially at $6 or $7. So I don't know. I might not sell my GameStop stock because I think it's severely undervalued. But who knows? Maybe GameStop will crash down to that and create a huge buying opportunity. I don't think it's gonna go back to $4. That's just too much of a bargain. But again, I could be totally wrong. We'll see what happens. Tesla had delivery numbers, but Tesla is extremely overvalued, and I think people, you know, so I think Tesla's gonna sell off. I think Tesla's probably gonna head down to around $350 until earnings time and then bounce back, but that's just my opinion. We'll see what happens. NIO stock, I think NIO's heading down lower too. NIO also had record delivery numbers, 154.3% increase in Q3 deliveries. If it wasn't for the whole coronavirus situation that's going on with Trump, I think NIO would have been green today, in my opinion. Lithium America Corporation down 74 cents. People are definitely taking profit on this one. Solo is a tough one for me because Solo's having their deliveries coming up here very, very soon. Could Solo go, I think Solo will go, at very worst case scenario, Solo will go to $2. I don't think it's going to go to $1. Not with deliveries around the corner. You know, so if they were to deliver 1,000 cars or 2,000 cars, I think that would really pop the stock in a big way. So we'll see what happens. But if Solo goes to $2, I'm definitely going to be buying some call options on it. So we'll see what happens. I already talked. I have GameStop up here again. Trine See, this stock probably won't get hit that hard simply because it's already so close to $10. Oh, there's also CCXX. It's down today 7 cents, which isn't that bad because it won't go below $10. So Multiplan, like I said, anything that is close to $10 is a pretty safe stock because it won't go below there. The SPY is down 1.85% right now, 1.62%, which is not too bad. I thought it was going to be down a lot more than that, but maybe when the market is actively trading, more people will sell off, and the SPY will tank even harder. But we'll see what happens at the end of the day. Pivot Investment. This thing is this is a tough call because it's down. It's basically once this thing hits $10, that's a huge buying opportunity because it can't go below $10 anymore. It's pretty much going to be hovering around around $10. Kensington Capital Acquisition, big sell off, could be an opportunity, but again, this thing is not close to $10, so as soon as it hits $10, that's very close, like $11. That would be a big buying opportunity on that one. Blink is selling off because Blink is at all-time high and people are taking profit on Blink right now. Switchback Energy, Judge Point is probably going to go down further. We're probably going to see this thing hit $12 in my opinion. We'll see if that happens. Aurora, I'm surprised. Aurora, most of the retail investors are gone. This is all institution right now, so I don't think it's going to go down too much more. I mean, yeah, that's what I think. Canopy down 21 cents today, down 18 cents, which isn't too bad, but again, it's already ran down quite a bit in the past week. So yeah, I just don't think there's too much further downside for it. Maybe it'll hit $10. That's about it. Would be a huge opportunity at 10. Afria down 7 cents this morning. Was not too bad. Tilray down 18 cents. That's a little bit bigger of a hit. But anyways, and then let's look at some of the other MJP. Let's look at Hexo. What's Hexo doing? Hexo only down a penny. And then there's Organigram. Not even moving after hours. So yeah, Organigram's already gone down quite a bit already. So yeah, kind of holding its ground because it's gone down. In the past week, it was $1.20. Now it's $1.05. Anyways, that is it for my video. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.